guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the Rogue Vet here, aka Jared, and we are doing another install video on one of our LSC members' Corvettes, a Z06 in fact. So she's got a front splitter that just needs to be replaced. So we're gonna basically do an install, replacing the front splitter, and then we'll go out and get some shots, of the car, just like, in my normal videos that I do. But it'll just be a quick install video. Shouldn't take very long, but just another video for y'all to see. I know I haven't been posting on the regular, but you know how life gets. You get busy. So, but thank y'all for continuing to watch my stuff on my Instagram, TikTok, etc., etc. So I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. I'm still gonna be bringing y'all videos. It'll just be kind of here and there, but I'm not going away. And y'all stay tuned until about January, December time when I get the Z06. But again, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video, and they should be arriving here any minute now. This is the new LSC kitty.
It's one of the cars from last night that was like
It's the new LSC kitty, Stormy.
Yeah, I don't know what he would think unless he got some.
yeah, exactly. Or maybe so. It was a girl. Yeah, no. Don't let this girl fool you.
Yeah.
Oh, she ran away. All right, guys, so we got the race ramps set up here, so we can just drive the car up. If you don't have race ramps, you can always use a jack, or however you can get the front end up, so that way you can get underneath and take off the stock splitter, and we'll get the new splitter put on. But basically, I'll just show us driving it up real quick, and then that way we can go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, the car is up in the air on the ramps, and it works pretty good. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and start disassembling, and then we'll put the new one on. But you can see, car looks really good. And then we'll get some shots afterwards. There's some nice footage. Get it underway.
I seen those too. Yeah, I don't know.
Because there was a.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we're just kind of going through and taking out the bolts that are all along. Once you got that done, we'll be able to take it off, and then we'll take the splitter next, start lining some 3M all along in between where the holes are. We'll take all that off, get it ready, and then we'll just basically put the stock bolts through up onto the car here. Make sure you clean the area we're going to apply the 3M to, because we want that 3M to stick pretty well. As you can see, we kind of sprayed a quick detailer, and we're wiping the area down for all the dirt. So that way it will stick good. And then we'll just put the self-tappers in that you can see there that we unscrewed, and we'll be good to go. So as you can see, also over here, we've already applied the 3M. So we're just going to pick off the red backing on the whole thing, to rip it off, and then we'll stick it up to the top of the front bumper. And again, like I said, just put the self-tappers through, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's done. One of the easiest installs. I feel like anybody can do it. Now, it does make it easy that we have the race ramp, so that way we can just have all this space to work underneath. But if you don't, a jack and stuff like that, jack stands will work as well. Or if you have quick lifts like this guy, then we can be good. Alright guys, so we're getting the bolts and stuff situated. You can see they're just lined up, screwed in right there. Getting those last ones, and then we'll basically be done. Ho ho ho! Look at that, guys. It is on. It is on. You can see it. Looks good. Looks real good. So now we're gonna take it off the ramps and go get some shots real quick. But I mean, it's on, guys. You can see here's another quick little shot. and easy installation. Oh boys, I'm in the Z06, so I'm gonna do a quick couple of pulls over there. Not really pulls, but just driving it basically over to the spot we're gonna get some of these shots at, and we're gonna get some of this going. Cause man, guys, look at this Z06. Oh snap! Oh snap! Y'all gotta see my reaction. Oh boys, freaking Z06. We are in the Z06. But I'm trying to get my seatbelt on and hold the camera at the same time, so that's why it's looking all weird. But golly, man, I can't wait for mine. Oh my gosh, guys, we are in the Z06. Oh my god, I can't even talk. I can't even talk. I mean, I'm not gonna go hard or nothing in here, but just driving the Z06. This is insane. This is freaking insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. It feels so good to be in the Z06. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. Guys, I'm just blown away, like straight up blown away. This is insane. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit, but look at that Z06, freaking Z06, guys. I know I've said that a billion times, but I'm baffled. I'm speechless. I'm baffled. It's freaking crazy. Good freaking Lord, it pulls like, oh my god. Oh my god. Good Lord. Jesus. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do another quick little pull here. Let's go ahead now. Oh my gosh. guys, so we're done. We're back in the garage. Everyone went home. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I will add the link in the description for that particular front splitter down below, so if y'all are interested in that, y'all can get that. But it was super fun. I enjoyed seeing everyone that came just to help with the install and just get all the fun shenanigans for the video. But until the next video, guys, this is the Rovid, aka Jared, out. Peace.